Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need the essentials, so start now. Confirm your iPhone model and iOS version, then power on the NFC ring and open the companion app. Once done, enable the NFC tag reader in Control Center so you can scan immediately. Make sure Bluetooth is off unless the ring requires it. This avoids pairing confusion. Then place the ring near the top center of the iPhone back, because iPhone NFC reader lives there. Hold steady until the phone registers a tag tone. Now you will write and configure data onto the ring. Open the Ring app or a trustworthy NFC writer, pick the payload, URL, contact, HomeKit shortcut, or a payment token if supported, and choose Write. Make sure to position the ring precisely over the iPhone's NFC area, then tap Write and accept any overwrite confirmations. Once the app reports success, test by locking the phone and tapping the ring. You should see the action trigger in 1 to 2 seconds. If it fails, retry the right step once more. Finish by integrating the ring with your workflows. Connect it to shortcuts, HomeKit automations, or a password manager when the ring supports those triggers. Once configured, add safety by requiring a double tap or app confirmation for sensitive tasks, because that reduces accidental activations. If something goes wrong, reboot your iPhone first, then rerun the write sequence and inspect app permissions. Make sure the ring battery is charged. If it still fails, reformat the tag and try a fresh write, which usually resolves silent errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.